I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, die that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG.
MJ's Custom Kicks. This is my first video. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? My name is MJ. First video, you know what I'm saying? If y'all been on my IG and my TikTok for a minute, I've been promoting my giveaway, but we gotta make the 50 subs first. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Y'all let me know in the comments while y'all doing that. Like and subscribe. And what we have here to work on today, 2018 Concords. Got them from Sneak Fest here in Memphis a couple weeks ago. So yeah, we're gonna work on these. I'm gonna do a few things to them. I'm gonna get the lint on it out the inside, and then I'm gonna it's a bit of scuffs on here. I'm gonna try to get them off. Hopefully I can get them all. Yeah, you can see them done easy right there. And then I know how to get these wrinkles out here on the midsoles on these 11s too, so I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. And then unyellow the soles, which obviously that's gonna be the longest part. And then the back, I'm gonna try to get some of that creasing out, if y'all can see that. Yeah, stay tuned. All right, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the lint. So I'm gonna take the shoe tree out.
As y'all can see, it's plenty of lint in these. Plenty of.
I almost forgot to mention, y'all know it's my first video, so don't hop on my head. But yeah, the lint shaver I got. So you can get this for $7. I think I got it for like, no, I think it was like $10 at Walmart. So yeah, then you gotta empty it.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, tell them put the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life.
Okay, just to let you guys know, after that first shoe I just did on the insoles, you kind of want to be careful on it. I got pretty much all of it out, pretty much. You can see, yeah, just a little bit on the heel. Couldn't really get that off. But yeah, after that first go around, if you saw in the video, I took out the insoles and did those. Kind of be careful on it because it kind of frays the edges a little bit. And then the logo too. All right, y'all, I'm back. What's good? So been a while since that last clip, not gonna lie, but back on it today. And today this part we're gonna do the sole icing. That's what we're gonna do today. So basically, I hope y'all can see it good, because I don't know how it's doing in the background, but as y'all can see, it's a little bit yellow. It's really not that bad, actually. Yeah, it's not that bad, but I'm gonna see if I can ice them, just like ice them, you feel me? So yeah, let's get right into it. What you're gonna need for this part, you're gonna need some Salon Care 40 volume 40 cream. And this actually the small 4-ounce bottle. I think these was like probably like $3-4 each, so it's pretty cheap. I had it before and it worked pretty good. It's decent. You can always go and get some like it's actually meant to ice soles, but at the same time, if it work, you feel me? So yeah, I'm about to see how good this do, and yeah, let's get into it. Yeah, but first, yeah, you need the brush, some type of brush to get it on the sole. So, and make sure your sole is actually pretty clean too. But if yours are dirty, you know yours dirty, clean them first and then ice them. So let's get into it. Okay, so when y'all doing this part as well, you wanna see how I'm going off to the side, like how I'm doing the sides. Like you don't want to get it on like the midsole and the uppers. So kind of be careful with that, and also see how I'm like going around that the purple part. You don't really want to get it on the rubber either. Also guys, notice how I'm using like the cardboard sitting under the shoe. You don't want to get this stuff everywhere, so you can use like cardboard, newspaper, paper, whatever you got. Plastic wrap on hand like this. You want to have it on hand already. Forgot to mention this earlier for y'all, but that what I'm doing right there, this me placing plastic wrap to put the shoes on top of. Like once you're done applying the volume 40, you want to have that on hand to place the shoe on. All right, y'all, so while y'all placing that down, right, make sure not to smear the volume 40, because like I said, you do not want to get it on the uppers. So try not to smear. See how I'm like patting it down lightly? Yeah, that's what y'all want to do. Do not get it on the uppers. Okay, now after all that, I wish I could tell y'all guys that y'all you can just leave it like that, you know what I'm saying? Sitting on your bed overnight or sitting on a desk or something overnight, and you just wake up and they just wipe. But sadly, that ain't how it works, guys. So next thing what you want to do, this is the most important part. All right, y'all, so this part is pretty basic, even though it's the most important part of the icing process. So what you got to do is like take them outside and let them sit in the sun for a little bit. Don't let them sit out too long, because they could separate from the shoe itself. The soles could separate. So yeah, and prop them up. I think the best thing to do is to prop them up on something like I did right there. That way the sunlight can reach all areas of the sole. Also, as far as not keeping them out there too long, I would make sure to check on them every 20 to 30 minutes. 30 minutes, you might have to do it in different sessions where you have to rinse it off and then repeat what we just did. But for the most part though, those aren't that bad. So I could probably leave them out there for a little bit longer. And yeah. All right, y'all, so after about 3 sessions, and the last session actually took 2 hours, but I was out there watching them. Here are final results for the sole icing from left to right in order. So feel free to pause it. And this is gonna prevent them from getting even worse, like over a certain amount of time before I have to redo this process. It's basically gonna keep it unyellowed at a constant rate, you feel me? So it's not gonna like get too bad too fast. Hey there, Ryan. All right, y'all, part 3, I guess. Y'all probably won't even believe how easy this part is. We're gonna do the unwrinkling first. Unwrinkling the midsoles. Let's get straight into it. So yeah, the easiest way to like get dirt off of white midsole specifically, I've seen is like this right here. This is the secret weapon right here. A Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. That's what you want to use. So yeah, what you want to do, instructions on the package obviously just wet, and then like squeeze out the excess. And you just gotta work on them joints.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, cause we're falling apart.
So here's kind of after right here. Well, here's before. So it's a lot clearer. You can see it a lot clearer. Versus this one, the after, it's a lot less blatant. See that? Yeah.
Trust from the distance. I think we should rule out commitment for now, cause we're falling apart.
Alright, so get them wrinkles out. It don't always be 100% what you want. It's never gonna always be that, but it's definitely better now that it's actually like, I guess, kind of dry. Like the patent leather. Yeah, the patent leather, it's a lot harder to get out, a lot harder. But like, I guess you give it some time after you finish getting it, trying to get it out, and it's actually a little better. It's not like as wrinkly, it's more of a straight line. So that's definitely better, like I said. This one, you can hardly see, you can tell it's there, but like you can hardly see it though, because it's patent leather, it's black patent leather. So that's good. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get a dry towel and like kind of wipe down the patent leather. All right, now we on to the scuffs, last part. So basically, first let me show y'all the scuffs first. Now I say this is pretty much more than just a minor scuffs. It's, yeah, y'all can, yeah, this, I got the same area right here. That's, I wouldn't, like I said, I wouldn't call that minor. So I'm definitely looking to get those off. So what y'all gonna need for this, y'all gonna need Angelus leather prepper and deglazer. Now you can use this, or you can use, like, this is pure acetone, 100% acetone nail polish remover. Or you can use either one, or you can use, I know you can use Glue Gum, probably some other stuff too, but this is what I would recommend. I would really more so recommend this one, the Angelus. And some, I got a whole box right here, Q-tips. Yeah, get right into it.
They just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you.
All right, so basically, since the scuffs on mine are so bad, like I said, I told y'all these aren't minor scuffs. So basically, to re-shine it, what you do, like, you can use lotion, or like I got like this kind of like, it's kind of an ointment type stuff. So it's kind of like a greasy substance. So you can get that shine back. Basically, I'm putting it on with Q-tip, yeah. And I'm basically buffing the shoe. So yeah, right now I'm letting letting the ointment sit on there for a minute. All right, I done left the ointment on for a couple minutes now, so I use a dry towel and go ahead and wipe it off. Basically, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, buffing it, wax on, wax on, wax off type stuff. But if you are using a lotion, I would say use one that has the oil in it. All right, y'all, pretty much done with the final product on these Air Jordan 11 Concords. Feel me? So I'm gonna actually go outside and get a better view for y'all. So let's go do that right now.
I know I've been away. Just trying to get my thoughts straight. Don't give my shit away. Just trying to get my thoughts straight. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my thoughts straight. Don't give my shit away. Just trying to get my thoughts straight.
All right, y'all, so that's pretty much it. I'm pretty pleased with how these came out. For the most part, I just really wanted to do this, the unyellowing. And like they came out pretty decent. From what I can see, better than they was. So y'all let me know how y'all like the first video if I drop this one first. Cause I actually got a few that I'm working on while I'm working on this first one. So y'all tell me how y'all like it, what I could fix, what y'all liked about it. And don't forget, share and run up the subscribers, because we're gonna do a giveaway at 50. Telling y'all. And with all that being said, I'm gonna add an outro for sure, but I don't know what outro it's gonna be yet. So this one I'm gonna just go out how I came in. I'm gonna just do this right here.
See my heart turn crystal. I can't even find like I'll miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone.